Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Data Hub, your go-to channel for Power BI and data analytics insights. Today, we're diving into Power BI's most powerful features, exploring why it's such a revolutionary tool, how it connects to various data sources, and breaking down its major components to help you fully unlock its potential. Let's get started. First, why Power BI? Well, Power BI isn't just another data visualization tool. It's a complete analytics platform. It empowers businesses to turn raw data into actionable insights through stunning visuals and interactive dashboards. But what makes Power BI stand out? It's easy to use, integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft tools like Excel, Teams, and Azure, and supports real-time data updates. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, Power BI helps you uncover trends, monitor performance, and make data-driven decisions, all from a single platform. Now let's break down the major components of Power BI that make it such a powerful tool. 1. Power BI Desktop. This is where all the magic begins. Power BI Desktop is a free application you install on your computer to create reports and dashboards. You can connect to your data sources, clean and transform the data, and build interactive visualizations, all in one place. 2. Power BI Service. Next, we have the Power BI Service, which is a cloud-based platform. After creating your reports in Power BI Desktop, you can publish them to the Power BI Service. Here, you can collaborate with your team, share dashboards, and access reports on the go. 3. Power BI Mobile. Finally, there's Power BI Mobile. This component ensures you can stay connected to your data wherever you are. Whether you're in a meeting or on the move, you can access real-time reports and stay updated on key metrics right from your phone. Connecting various data sources in Power BI. Now that you know the major components, let's talk about connecting data sources. Power BI supports over 100 data sources, from Excel spreadsheets and SQL databases to cloud services like Azure and even APIs. The ability to integrate data from multiple platforms allows you to build a comprehensive view of your business. For example, you can pull sales data from Excel, customer insights from Google Analytics, and operational metrics from a CRM like Salesforce, all into one interactive dashboard. Real-time data and decision-making. Another key feature of Power BI is its real-time capabilities. Instead of static reports that are outdated the moment they're created, Power BI allows you to track metrics as they happen. This is especially valuable in industries like retail, finance, and marketing, where fast decision-making is critical. Why Power BI is essential for business growth. In summary, Power BI is more than just a visualization tool. It's a comprehensive platform with major components that cater to every aspect of data analytics, creating, collaborating, and staying connected in real time. It gives businesses the power to consolidate data, uncover trends, and drive growth through data-driven decisions. So there you have it, why Power BI is a must-have for anyone working with data, how it connects to various data sources, and its major components that make it a complete analytics solution. If you're ready to level up your data game, Power BI is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Dream Data Hub for more tips and tutorials on Power BI and data analytics. Drop a comment below if you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, happy analyzing.